Where's my menu?
I'm lost 6-7.
Nah, you're more stupid. You're more stupid.
See it now. Power than my hands!
6-7 with
You guys must die!
Here, you guys. Those ones, I'll like these ones.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday. Oh my gosh, I did it! Go!
My brain is rotting!
6-7 incoming. 6-7.
Hey Blue! Hey Blue! Look behind you! Hey Blue!
I'm buying you.
Stop. What am I doing, bro? Lizard! Watch out! Cause I'm
Come back to spot.
I have the power! Hey, Blue! Do you want to see a magic trick?
I didn't see anything. Get up. Nobody even likes you.
Hey, Bill, thank you! I stole his fan! I stole his fan! I stole...
Lost 6-7. Lost 6-7.
Okay, I'll go fix the wall.
These kids are so brain rotted, bro. Nobody must buy
not
ever again.
brain-rotted.
You guy. You guy.
Girl, guys.
Nobody must die.
In disguise.
You mustn't buy. You mustn't buy. You mustn't buy. You must not buy. You cannot buy. Nobody can buy ever again.
Liar.
I will accept crates though.
Technically, I still can buy, but they're going to
Good. Thank you. Oh.
You can't do damage in here. No PvP.
I like making people go bounce.
You do damage to stuff, obviously, not to anyone else.
Please help.
Guys,
Okay, I'll help you.
guys, look at.
Give him to me.
Look at my box. Don't, you'll get pushed away. Look at my. Oh my god.
Yes, one.
Lizard! Lizard! No!
A chameleon. That's racist. A big chameleon. No. A chameleon. Not a lizard. A big chameleon. I'm a chameleon.
No!
Okay, come on now.
Okay, I'll let you.
There.
What was that?
Okay.
Did you die?
Blue!
Lost.
I'd like to hit you midair, please. Come back! We aren't done playing! I'd like to combo you midair, please. How did I miss that? I suck.
Hi. Hi.
Guys, I stuck an axe in his ass. Don't take it out, it's masterpiece. Oh, that's his back. Never mind. Give me back my axe. You scammed me.
Give me back it. Give me back everything.
Hey, Bo, hey, Blue, can I stick an axe in your ass?
No.
Hey, Lizard, can I stick an axe in your ass?
No.
Okay.
Style.
Yummy! Bee! Lizard! Lizard!
I'm a chameleon. That's kind of racist.
Ow!
Guys, look at my box. Oh my.
No, oh! No, you're mean.
Hi.
Can
Doggy.
you go away?
But you came here.
Bruh,
Hey,
I'm
Pink.
trying to build something.
Okay, leave him alone. I'll leave the dog alone.
Claudia. I'm coming in stage.
Oh, that was perfect.
Hey, you want to see them?
Wait, I got it. Claudia?
Yeah.
I'm in stage 5. Okay. Come to the fat stage, I have hammers. I want to touch you with my hammers.
Yo, hi guys. Hi. It's inside.
I turned into
Fraggy!
You become a boss.
Froggy!
Become a boss. You become a boss.
Baby!
You become
Baby.
a boss, okay?
stage.
Is that fan gooning? Oh. I'm hitting you, good!
I want to try something.
I was just hitting you.
I just did a glitch. Right, you become not.
But you're not
You
gonna be
become-
able to. Listen, drop it from me for a second. I'm gonna show you something crazy.
I want to try something.
well, you're not gonna get to. This isn't no PvP lobby. What are you trying to do?
Hi.
Hi. Bye now. Here, you can have this. Why are we just messing with boxes?
Does anyone want to go to sewers with me?
I was trying to make my car.
Actually,
Nope.
Yo, can you not? Like, I'm just trying to do something.
What are you trying to do?
Fly.
wait, guys, don't hit me.
Hey,
Stop.
It's a no PvP lobby. You can calm your ass.
Put your arm out.
Everyone, let's have a party in Kaisenat's room.
Look, actually,
Go to
stop.
Kaisenat's room. Is it
Yo,
PG
I'm
party?
trying to fly.
You don't need another one.
Okay, I'll buy my fucking own. Yo, what the fuck is happening?
What the hell?
Is there any baby over there?
Fight me.
Oh my, la. Tung 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 tung.
Bing!
Ming
Why?
ming 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 ming.
Oh, bro, I'm losing my voice. I swear to God.
My ding ding.
Swear to God, it was still my
Go
back.
to Kaisenat's room to
Ah!
have a party.
I'm going to Kaisenat's room.
We too.
Same.
I'm coming for you.
Oh, it's that way. Ah!
Alright, you're kicked out of my house. Get the hell out of here.
Hey, Ty, today
Monkey.
we are live streaming. So today we are playing Roblox.
Come in the locker, Pink.
Everyone, it's time to have a
Pink,
party.
pink, pink, pink,
Let's
pink,
go.
pink, 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 pink.
Party.
Nobody come in here!
What the?
Everybody, boy.
Yeah, y'all got trolled!
Party.
And nobody come in! And nobody come in here, I'm definitely not gooning!
Hey, come here.
Help!
Hey, come over here.
Guys, who wants to goon with me?
Who wants to goon with me?
Oh, nobody come in the closet, I'm definitely not gooning.
Just bro, no.
Hammer uses himself. I must hide from the hammer, he's crazy. Nobody comes in, nobody go in cuss and after room and look in the closet, I'm not gooning.
Get back here.
Nobody come in the closet, I'm definitely not gooning.
Oh, damn it.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of my house! Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go to Joe Rogan's house.
Oh wait, it's an H.
I'm gonna go to Joe Rogan's house.
I can't fit
Yeah,
that.
guys, it's definitely. Get out of my house! Get out! Get out! Oh God, I'm losing my voice. I can't scream anymore. Or can I?
You low.
I'm gonna do insane. I'm gonna do some insane trolling. Nobody coming to Joe's room.
No, there's no dead bodies in the freezer. No, there's no dead bodies in the freezer.
Green.
Coming to your own home to shoot you.
Green not get a god goop with me.
I'm coming into Joe Rogan's own home to.
But what is that?
Yeah, guys, it's definitely.
I'm gonna do a video.
So yeah, guys.
Click off.
The mafia is coming for me. Nobody
Yo, bro,
be
there's
afraid.
a zombie on top of spawn, bro. Goop building video.
J-Man Curly! Wait, they're not subscribed. You know what that means?
But where?
Wait.
I hear a zombie, bro.
I'm gooning. I'm gooning to
That's
you.
not what zombies
I'm
sound
gonna
like.
goon to J-Man Curly's videos again. I'm gonna goon to J-Man Curly's videos.
My bullets are coming out of my.
You better watch out.
That switch over was crazy.
My bullets come out of my pee. My bullets. My pee is coming for.
I'm just.
Of course I made ammo higher.
See?
That's 1,000 nuts now.
I'm gonna raid Joe
It
Rogan.
used to be it used to be 500. Have you guys ever wondered where your nuts actually go when you spend something? Like,
Hey,
it's
that's
so
kinda
weird.
smart.
They just disappear out of your wallet. You don't give them anything, it just pops out of thin air.
My bullets are going up. Bullets are gonna go up your ass. See now?
Oh, do the laser challenge.
I'm in.
That's
No,
not funny,
this
isn't
is
it?
why-
That's just taking our money away.
Nice try.
Basically, because if we...
You killed me.
Boss
What are you doing?
reporter, we have
What
a
are you
boss
doing?
reporter. That's crazy.
No,
Why don't we take your money out of your wallet? Anyways, what is all this money? That guy's trying to false report.
It's the real lobby now.
Hey guys,
Oh.
can I join?
No, don't, stop!
Wait, is anybody on the forest?
Oh god.
What is wrong with you guys?
Nobody's in forest.
No! I'm alive!
No, it's back.
There's only one piece, so fire's up.
You can't get through.
There's more deep bullets where that came from. There's more deep bullets where that came from.
I suck. Did he kill himself? Oh!
I'm back.
Hey, mine!
Hey, you're
Mine!
Thank you.
Ah!
They're not even loaded. Explosions. Hey, wait, you killed me. That means you should be.
He's smoking! He's smoking!
I know it. Nah, you want to see a real weird thing?
Both came like a girl. Are you actually a girl?
No, I'm not. I'm a.
Let's put on him. Let's put
I
on
missed.
Why?
You suck.
No,
What?
kidding.
What? Kill me?
Oh shit.
Oh no, he didn't die yet. Okay.
This isn't no PvP lobby.
I'm a suicide bomber.
Put it.
Nobody come into my room.
But I'll go put my hammer. I like joining. I like joining. I like booming.
Simple little Cocobella, Cabby, you want
Hey. Hey, bro. Hey, Hammer.
Hi.
Well, what did he go?
What?
Don't goon to me. It's pretty goon to me. Oh gosh, oh my gosh.
You're gonna die.
Wait, this explosion will be epic, right?
Guys, I'm coming back.
Oh, did I kill him?
No. Hey, guess what?
Chicken butt.
Redo.
Also, you're gonna like get a cool force field now. That's cool. Oh my god. It perfectly landed.
How do you keep? How do I keep dying?
Cause of your built different. It's stuck in his butt.
Every time.
It's too good.
I just think I might as well just stand still.
No!
No! Damn! He respawned!
Wait, let me scan that.
He's smoking! He's smoking! It's still good.
Time, bro. It's still golden.
It's on his
Don't
arm.
do it! Don't do it!
You're gonna kill me again, aren't you?
Oh, you're good. It still does damage. Well, this. Do that.
Sorry, Mel.
I muted you!
Oh, I did you.
Don't do it. I know what you're thinking. Yeah! You suck. You suck.
Oh man! Freak you! Damn it!
Oh. He's still gonna die. Oh, no, he's good. I'm the killer here, bro.
So.
No!
Thank you!
You're good.
I played these before.
Oh, deformed platypus. E.
1,000, it's 20,000 down the drain.
Yay!
Hey, I wasted 20,000 mil on this game, okay?
Why? Don't do it. Nice shot. Nice shot. A bro's like a cat. I'm playing with one of those laser toys.
I mean, wait a minute, what's that?
Hey,
Wait a minute, what's on here?
Oh.
I should be free!
Wait, dehydrated color now. They
Stick it on water.
Ow! Ow!
How do you know?
Throw it on me, boy. You won't.
You have that.
Who died?
I'm gonna try it. Get ready. Get.
Bro sounds like a chipmunk.
Let's join a PvP.
I gotta leave. I'm so thirsty.
Guys, let's join a PvP.
No, it's better like this.
What is it? Ah! It kind of fits you.
Hi.
Hey, you look so.
You suck. Hey, lucky shot.
Hey,
I need my sword.
Good luck.
Nice one. bro, I rose up like a goddamn boss battle. Guys.
Good luck, guys.
Who wants to roleplay a school? Who wants to do a school? There you go. I don't know why.
Guys. Okay, I'm gonna rise up like a boss fight.
it! I just got it!
Oh crap!
Guys, who wants to do a school role play? Guys, who wants to do a
Guys, I'm
school
gonna rise up
role
like a
play?
boss battle. I need to get smaller for this to work. Guys, I'm gonna rise up like a boss battle now. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. You suck. It takes so long to jump. It's like I'm jumping in slow motion.
Who are you?
I'm Joe Mama.
Yo.
I'm gonna rise up like a boss battle. Da, 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 da.
No, we need to take this
1, 2,
out.
3, 7, guys.
Ah! Boga.
Guys, I'm up here. Help me. Guys, hey, I'm up here, guys. Help! Help! Oh. I'm still not good, bro. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck in here. This isn't good. This isn't.
Here.
Help!
I took your gun, and this is no PvP, so you can't stop me.
You don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch
Help!
me.
I'm stuck behind here.
Don't
Don't touch me. I'm not
Oh.
pineapple. You don't touch people's pineapples for no reason, do ya? Don't touch people. You don't touch people's pineapples for no reason, do ya?
I want it so bad.
Oh God. If
Wait,
you don't get
maybe I
on
can
my
squeeze through
line,
here.
there's my name.
So I can. I'm back! I'm back! I saved myself! I saved myself!
Yes, can't contain it. Guys, who wants to do it? Who wants to do double?
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Do you wanna shut the fuck
Ride bikes
up?
down the halls. I never see you anymore. Back to your shore.
No.
Am I really that big, bro? Give me. Give. Give him. Okay, I'm too big. Oh, my head is getting low. I better leave. It was nice meeting you guys. Also, by the way, all you guys were in a YouTube video.